This video will cover how to immediately see the effects of changing game code while your game is still running. We'll be doing this with a combination of Play-clj and Light Table. Despite how simple this is, finding the solution wasn't. I'm probably just dumb, but if you're dumb like me, hopefully this will help. Principle of live updating. Short story short, you have to call your game's main function, then reload any relevant namespaces, then call the setScreen function. That's it. After knowing this, we can start to implement it. Implementation of live updating. So this is our game. It doesn't do much, just displays the image of one entity. It has three namespaces: ourgame.core.desktop-launcher, ourgame.core, and ourgame.entity. So the first thing to do is go to desktop-launcher.clj. It's located in source ourgame core. This is where the ourgame.core.desktop-launcher namespace currently lives. Here you'll find ourgame's main function, which you may or may not know sets the screen resolution and creates it. Here we want to make a call to the main function at the bottom of this file. Okay, first thing complete. The second thing is to go to the ourgame.core namespace. This is housed within core.clj, located in source common ourgame. This is currently where our defGame type function lives, which you may or may not know uses the setScreen function to set what goes on the screen and in what order. Here we will add the reload keyword to the end of the required namespace list. As you can probably tell, this is how we reload the namespaces. You may have to add the reload keyword in other namespaces if your game.core doesn't require them all. Okay, second thing complete. Now the third thing is to stay within the ourgame.core namespace and call the setScreen function. You could do that with this line of code. Okay, now comment out that line of code with a semicolon. I'll explain why later. So now all we have to do is evaluate the file with Ctrl, Shift and Enter, like normal. You should see your game window pop up. You can now uncomment the code we just added. It was commented because it actually breaks everything on the first run. However, subsequent runs require it to be there. Okay, now the third thing is complete. You could test the live updates by changing some code and re-evaluating the file. For example, I would change our entity's image, re-evaluate the code, and now our entity is displayed with a new image. Okay, future me, do a barrel roll.